Hey everyone, I'm posting this video so you can see how the mower runs, and I'll turn on the actual blade so you can hear the blades moving and everything. And so it's just gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna crank it up, let y'all listen to it running, turn on the blades, and I don't really have any grass to cut right now, so I'm not gonna really do any passes, but it's a good mower. And here we go. So you can see it's a good running mower. The pricing and everything is on Craigslist. I'm willing to make take offers. It's a 42-inch cut. There was no smoke coming out the exhaust. It's pretty much the first time I cranked it up this morning, so that's a pretty good good thing right there. No smoke coming out. Sometimes it'll puff a little bit when you first crank it up, but that's normal on small engines. All right, if you have any questions, just contact me at the contact information on Craigslist. Thanks.